Alam mo ba na kayang tumagal ng goldfish mo sa poor quality of water? Pero isang bagay na hindi nila kaya i-tolerate or tagalan is yung wala silang oxygen. Kaya naman kung lagi nawawala ng kuryente sa inyo, I highly suggest buy this product. Just because I already tried it. Kahapon ay fully charged this Ye Dual Portable AC/DC air pump. And then, tinaray ko na rin ng around 12:25 PM ng August 26 and right now is August 27 ng 1:49 PM. So it means it's running already 24 hours supplying oxygen in this tank. And usually naman pag nawawala ng kuryente, it's just 1 hour or 2 hours. And if you're living in province, maybe around 1 day to 2 days. And kung may bagyo naman at nasira ang inyong poste, usually it takes around 7 days. So you may need not just one but more. And if you wanna know how long this Ye Dual Portable AC/DC pump will last, follow me kasi mag-a-update ako kung gaano katagal talaga siya